All right, so we've all done it. We've gone on vacation and then we went, oh boy, I forgot to set my auto reply or my out of office. Now I'm getting emails and I feel obligated to reply because I forgot to set that out of office reminder. Well, the good news is it's super simple within Gmail, and this is something that a lot of people didn't even know you could do with Gmail. So let me show you how to do it. First, you're going to head to either mail.google.com or gmail.com, either one will work, and you'll sign into your email just like you normally would. Now, this process will apply regardless of if you're trying to set an auto reply or out of office for an iPhone, Android phone, iPad, whatever the case is, you will still follow this same process. So in our case, we go to gmail.com, we sign in, we see our inbox here. From here, all you have to do is head over to the gear on the top right of the screen, and we'll click that settings icon. From there, we'll go down and click see all settings. And then once the settings pop up, there are a ton of settings here, but all we really care about is at the bottom. So let's scroll down all the way here, and it will be called Vacation Responder. So that is the same as the out of office message in Outlook, for example. So what we want to do is we want to turn it on, and we'll say we're going to start it on, oh, I don't know, let's say February 1st. And you don't have to specify an end date. You can just leave it on indefinitely, which I would love to do because not working sounds great. But in our case, we'll say that our vacation is going to end. So we'll say, it's going to be a long vacation. Let's do February 15th. There we go. Now, one thing you'll notice here is there's no times. You can't specify a start and end time for your out of office reply like you would in Outlook, unfortunately. Just be aware of that. Now, you do have the option to set the subject here. So we can say Mike's out of office notification. And we'll put an exclamation mark just so people know it's important. All right, then we have the message itself. Obviously, we can type whatever we want here that we want people to see from this auto reply. I'll just say out of office. That's it, just something quick. Okay, so your message would be here. So this is the message that you would type saying, hey, I'm out of office. You know, I'll be back on this date, whatever. One cool trick I'll just show you really quick. If you are doing this for work purposes, you can actually say something like, you know, in my absence, please contact, you know, Sam Smith, something like that. And then what you can do is you can actually highlight that name and go to this little link icon here, click that. And then instead of making it a web address, we can make it an email. And we can say, you know, I'm just going to say fake@notreal.com for an email. And we hit OK. So the net result here is now we can turn this on. And when people click that link to your alternate contact, it'll automatically pop up in their email client so that they can send an email to that person. Just a little way to make it a little more convenient for that person. But once we've done that, all you have to do is then hit Save Changes, and that's it. Your out of office is set. The only thing I would add to that is make sure you don't forget to turn it off if you set it indefinitely. But one thing I will add to this before closing out is this out of office, if someone keeps emailing you during your out of office time, it will actually send them the out of office reply at most, I believe it's once every 4 days. So it will continue to send over time. It won't just be a one-time thing. But either way, I just wanted to make you aware of that. That's all I had for you today. I hope you found this useful. Again, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be putting tons of content out there helping you to work smarter. That's all I got for you. Stay safe and healthy. Until next time, Nerdy Tech out.